What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another vlog. I'm just going to bring you guys along for the evening. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon. We just got back in the house, y'all. I did a lot of filming today, so I wasn't able to start the vlog out this morning, but it's all good. We went to Party City and I got Summer Halloween costume. I don't think we're gonna go trick-or-treating or anything. I just mainly got it for photos so we could just like take pictures for memories. So you guys will be seeing that probably in the next vlog or something, or follow me on Instagram so you can see the photos. But yeah, today's been a pretty chill day. If you guys got questions about my hair, I will have a video coming out probably mid-November. I'm working with a company and I did a Q&A, an updated Q&A, so I'm gonna be talking about some topics that you guys wanted me to talk about. But I'm getting ready to go ahead and get the girls in the tub. And y'all, the house is a mess because I've had to film all day and I've just been letting them pull out all the toys and they've just made a mess, okay? So you wanna do what?
I'm wearing that shirt.
You wanna wear that shirt? Okay. You tell everyone hello?
Hello.
So yeah, let me show y'all. The living room is a mess. Skylar has to clean up. She's brought the toilet tissue in here. Just don't judge us, okay? Also, our new TV stand slash fireplace came in today. I'm super excited to get that up. So me and Shawn will probably put that together tonight. No one's bought our TV stand. We've had it on like Facebook Markets and offer up, but haven't no one got that stand yet. So I'm just like, but probably in the meantime, we'll probably be putting it in the office room. I don't even think I want to show y'all Skylar's room because Skylar's room is a complete disaster because I've taken all the clothes out of the drawers, just like all of their clothes out, and I just got it thrown on the floor, and I've been going through, folding them up, trying to figure out what's too small, what should I keep, what should I give away. Like, it's a hot mess. I'll show y'all. Okay, so here's some of the stuff that I've been folding up, but here's the stuff I've taken out the drawers and just like out the closet or just whatever. I got a whole pile right here and I've just been trying to sort out everything. It's so much stuff. It's like Skylar old clothes. I haven't went through the drawers probably since what, spring, I guess. I don't know, it's been a while. So there's a lot of clothes in there that's too small for them that just needed to be out. I just need to get everything reorganized. How is everyone doing? Leave me a comment down below in the comment section. How are you doing? Anything you want to chat with me about? Any questions you have? I'll be commenting for like the first 30 minutes to an hour that the video is up. So you'll be sure to like get a response from me if you go ahead and comment time the video get up. So yeah, just chat a little bit, you know, catch up. I like chatting with you guys in the comment section. But yeah, y'all, I'm feeling this look. Like, this is just so I do feel like I look older with this bang, but it's cute, you know. Time I got this wig on and I was flatlining the bang, I started singing. I was like, not the bang. Summer girl, Summer, you ready to get in the tub? You ready to get in? Y'all, anytime I start running the water, she comes right here to the side of the tub. She'll start trying to climb up the side. So I had to come here real quick so I can tell y'all. The girls just got out of the tub. But Shawn got a Halloween costume when we went to Party City for work tomorrow, right? So he's putting it on now. He's getting ready to come out. And we're gonna see what Skylar do. I really think she's gonna freak out. Oh my God. I'm not ready. I really think she's gonna freak out. Comment down below what y'all think she's gonna do. How y'all think she's gonna react. Alright, let's clean up all the toys. Clean up all the toys. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So, and then you get to shoes, okay?
You said what?
You got me back and then I get the shoes.
You did what?
And I'll come back and then you will get the shoes.
He gonna get a what, baby?
You will get you up here. and you gotta get the cheaper back.
Okay.
But you go get it.
So, guys. You tell them, hey?
Ah.
What the? What is it, Sky? Sky, what is that? Oh my God! What is that? Skylar, what is that? What in the world? What is that? Oh, what the freak? You ain't kidding me. Woo! So as y'all can see, Skylar was scared. I know some people gonna have their feelings like, why y'all scare her? Keep your comments to yourself. We were just playing with her. She's fine. She's perfectly fine, okay? I just had to say that. But I'm in here cleaning up like the office area because we're getting ready to put the TV stand together, and we're going to bring the TV stand, the TV that's in the living room in here just for the time being, because I told y'all that I was trying to sell it. We'll sell the stand and no one has bought the stand yet, so we're just gonna sit in here, which would be, you know, fine. So I wanted to talk to you guys real quick. If y'all ever bought lashes from me, I highly recommend. I will be dropping a new product, so y'all get your coins together because Black Friday I'm going to have a few new items added to the websites. But these lashes right here are my lashes, but I'm going to be having some eyeliner slash lash glue available. And y'all, when I tell y'all this lash glue is bomb, I've been looking for the perfect formula just because I know with certain lash glue they clump up a lot and it's hard to take off the glue and it messes up the longevity of your lashes. It does not allow you to keep your lashes as long, because you know with my lashes you can use them up to 15 to 20 times, but with this lash glue that I will be launching, you just put it on like eyeliner and then just pop your lashes on. It makes your lash application so much easier and they last all day. I've had these on all day and they're so easy to take off. I'm just gonna take one right on off. Y'all, it comes off so easily. It didn't pull my hair out or anything. Let me take this one off. Like, boom. And as you can see, don't have that gunky on my lashes. So you don't have to worry about like pulling the glue off and all that stuff. So I'm super excited. So I highly recommend, if y'all have ever bought any lashes from me or you just wear lashes and you need some lash glue, got the perfect glue for you, and you don't have to worry about, you know, doing your liner because it's all in one. It's a 2-in-1 product. You get liner and lash glue. I just wanted to tell you guys about that, but I'm getting ready to finish up cleaning in here so we can get in the TV stand together.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow.
You're such a good helper, Sky. You put the stickers inside?
Yeah, Daddy bought help too.
Okay.
Daddy bought help me.
Good job. Woo. So guys, we had to like take a break. Both drills died, but it's basically put together. I thought it was gonna be much like bigger and like not bigger but taller. Summer, what's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem? What's your problem, Boogie? I don't know if I showed y'all, but when we got the box, like when it was sitting outside, bringing it upstairs, it was already like halfway open a little bit, and this does like have some chips and like little marks on it, so I don't feel like they were really like careful with that. So my battery went dead, but I think I was saying that it should not be damaged anywhere, and that's like, it should not, especially how much it costs. Like, it should not be damaged anywhere. I think I'm gonna see if the camera will pick up on it, but I guess like since we put it together, you can't really, I don't know. Let me see. Y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see that. It's cracked. It's just have like chip marks in different places. But overall, I like it. I really do like it. I feel like the color goes good with, like, you know, the kitchen area and everything like that. We just have a whole big mess now from putting this together. Honestly, I don't even know if we're gonna finish it tonight because I'm kind of tired. It's like 10:30 now, so Shawn is in the shower. When he gets out, I'm gonna get my shower, and we let the girls take a late nap today because we were trying to do this while they were asleep, but they ended up waking up and we really couldn't finish because they were trying to grab stuff. Well, mainly Summer was trying to grab stuff. Skylar was like helping us out. She did a good job helping. She's putting the stickers on there for us. Did you have fun putting the stickers on there? Did you enjoy that? You don't want to be on camera? Okay. She doesn't want to be on camera. Gotta respect that. Y'all, if y'all follow me on Instagram, go show me some love under my reel that I posted. I did the put your records on challenge, so go show me some love, like, comments, all that stuff. I'm really enjoying the reels and like making little videos. It's really fun to me, y'all. My head hurts so bad. I thought it was because of this wig. I'm like, God, this wig is squeezing my darn brains out. But I forgot that I braided my hair up today because I'm gonna put my crochet in. Y'all know I got that crochet hair. It's probably been a month now, but I had to do a few wig videos before I put my crochet in, because when I put my crochet in there, I like to keep it for at least a month or two. So I'm done with doing wig videos for right now. So ready to put my crochet in. I'm gonna film that so you guys see that. So in the next vlog, you guys will see me putting my crochet in. Get your booty back over here. Y'all, she does this like fake laugh now. Summer. Get that out of your mouth. Come. Get that out of your mouth. Come here. Come on. Good girl.
I get that, Mommy. Can I get that?
Yeah.
I want that bunny rabbit.
You want that bunny rabbit? Okay. Hey, boo-boo.
Buy that now.
Hey. So guys, y'all, we get an extra hour this weekend. I'm so excited. Time we fall back, we get an extra hour. I'm so happy. I need this extra hour. The only thing I don't like is like it gets darker earlier in the evening. But here is my positive message for you guys today. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. So even though you may be going through some dark times right now, just know that the sun will rise and shine again. Trouble don't last always, and there's light at the end of the tunnel. So you will get through whatever it is that you are going through. So you got to go through to get to whatever it is that God has for you. So that's my message for you guys. Are you tired? You tired? You want to lay on mommy? You do? Come on, boo-boo. So I'm about to cuddle with my baby. and we're gonna chill, watch a little TV. I'm ready to get my shower and take my makeup off. Oh, all right guys, good night. I am getting ready to get my shower. Got some new inventory in that I have to go through, but oh yeah, I'm gonna crochet my hair in tomorrow. Let me show y'all the hair. I showed y'all before, but just in case, fluffy spring twist, so make sure you guys watch the next vlog. I am so tired, it's so sleepy, and we'll finish putting the TV and the stand together tomorrow, so you guys will see that in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really like y'all. I don't know how much I like really love and appreciate you guys for just watching my content and always commenting, and I try to do my best to like respond and comment back to you guys, because you guys don't have to, like, you know, interact with me and, you know, comment to me, or like when I ask for your advice or just help on anything, you guys are always there to, you know, comment and help us sister out. So I really do appreciate it. I'm looking for my scarf. Where's my scarf? I think about content for Vlogmas. I know I do Vlogmas. Last year was the first year I did it consistently every single day. So I have giveaways going that I'm gonna have going. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Like, I was talking to Shawn about it the other night. I'm like, you gotta help me. We gotta think of, like, of some content and, you know, some fun stuff. So I was thinking about, like, maybe at once a week with me and Shawn, maybe cooking or doing like a mukbang type video. If that's something you guys would be interested, let me know. What should we eat? Like, I don't know, let me know. Or maybe we'll go ahead and start like recording some videos like that to see if you guys like it. I don't know, but I'm just trying to think of different content and more content, so I'll be able to produce, like, you know, videos every single day. So let me know what you guys want to see. I know some of you guys say clean with me videos, but honestly, I'm just not in the mood or the headspace to do clean with me videos. So that's that on that. I'm trying to think of anything else. Yeah, so give me some ideas of some videos for Vlogmas and for the month of November. Like, throw your girl some content. I'm trying to be consistent for the month of November to help ease me into Vlogmas, because I know I have to be on it for Vlogmas. So yeah, we're gonna end this year strong, and I'm just super excited, y'all. We are at 190,000 subscribers. We're almost at 200K, so help get your girl to 200K. Oh, why am I feeling so sick and nauseous right now? All right, anyways, I'm getting ready to go to bed because why am I? All right, guys, I gotta go. See you guys later. Oh my gosh. And no, I'm not pregnant. No.
So right now, say it with your chest now, say it.